Hi everyone, I'm Hamdlal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So today in this lecture I will tell you about Android notifications, that how we handle the notifications. Okay, so let's start. I just opened a random website and it's just showing me some sort of managing notifications on Android, that how we can manage these notifications. Okay, so at first I will tell you some details, some theory about notifications, that what really notifications are and how we can play with the notifications. Okay, and then we will go in code and write the things there. Okay, notification is quite easy thing and it's really amazing. So first a writer, some sort of writer, write it like what he say. Notification alerts you to many things on your Android device, including incoming messages, new emails and calendars, events. Notifications work slightly differently from each app, but they are easy to customize. In this lesson, we will show you how to view and manage notifications and customize your notification settings. So here someone created this lecture and it's showing that in this lecture they will tell you about some managing notification and customize your notification, but here we are developing the notification. Okay, so what really notifications are. Okay, so here you can see the top screen here, the top, these icons are showing the notifications icons. Okay, so here it say that Android displays all of your current notifications in one place. Yeah, here these are the notifications. You can see icons from your current notification in the notification area at the top left of your screen. This can tell you at glance what types of notifications are awaiting your attention. These icons can show you what type of event they are for or which app they are from. Okay, so this thing is quite clear. It's from Pinterest, Hangout or whatever, some messaging, some Gmail or some app installed. So here are the things, and let's go down. What we see here is, to see more detail about your notification, swipe down from the top screen. Yeah, it is. Okay, to open the notification drawer, this will show you a list of your current notifications and a little information about each. Okay, so these are the notification what we are going to design right now. We will create a simple sort of notification and we will display it here. Okay, and how these notifications are displayed and how they are designed here. So yeah, you are seeing this notification, so this means there must be an activity, but it's some sort of an activity that there must be a button or some sort of thing that it's generate the notification. Okay, so basically a notification itself has no activity. It's like it is no activity, it's just showing on where, showing on home screen, like when there is a notification it shows. Okay, it pop-ups. Okay, here it shows about detail. We don't need these details, but for your information, what it say, you can manage your notification from the notification drawer. Okay, if you tap on the notification, the app that sent it will open. To dismiss a notification, touch it and swipe left to right, tap the dismiss icon to dismiss all notifications. Okay, these are all the things. Fine with this, I hope these things are fine. And it's the lock screen and it shows here that this is the lock screen and these are the notifications that are appearing here. Okay, you can disable these lock screens in the sound and notification menu in setting apps. Okay, you can disable these things or whatever the other things are. So these are all the things. We don't need any sort of other information whatever they are trying to giving us. So let's come towards the development side. I hope things are clear that what really notifications are. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is what I'm going to do. Let's come towards the code. What really the code is here. Okay, so I have some steps here. Okay, I have some steps here. So these are the steps. Okay, let me go in detail. These are the basic steps, okay, for creating a simple notification. So just remember these steps. These are 4 steps. As a developer, I am following a tutorial point, as the tutorial point is quite so awesome and so easy. Like whatever the developer there, it just follow the simple steps, and I just copy those steps here and just following those steps. But here I am telling you those steps in detail. Okay, so don't worry about the thing. Here is step 1. Let's come to the point. The step 1 is create notification builder. Okay, fine with the thing. Okay, there is some notification. For creating a notification, there must be a notification builder class. Okay, so we have some notification builder class from where we are creating some notification compare.builder, and there is a variable which creates an object mbuilder, and it's creating some notification. Okay, here is the notification. Then when you create a builder, for notification, then you set some properties for notification. What really the notification properties in notification properties shows that how the notification might show. Like it has some icon, it has some title, it must be some text, or it must be some time, whatever the other things are. Like there must be some downloader in notification. Is it really? Like, let me show you again about this thing. Like here we are seeing where's the notifications are. So here is the notification. So in this, let's about 100 rows, and it shows that this is some title, and there is some text hi. Okay, and this is some icon. Okay, and there is some time. So this is a single notification. So these are the properties of notification. So from where it's coming? It's coming from this builder. Okay, so from this builder class, it shows that there is some icon here, there is some title here, okay, and there is some text here. Okay, so when this notification pop-ups, it shows that there is some icon in the left side, and then it shows title there, which shows that there is a notification alert, and it shows a click me. Okay, and in content, the text where it shows the hi. Okay, and so this is an Android notification detail. Okay, fine with the thing. So we created a notification, but when it must pop up. Okay, so for popping on the screen, like when I click on a button, I create some button, I just triggered the event, and there must be this builder class which pop up. So how these things work? So there is a step 3 which shows that there must be an attach action. Okay, so I created an intent. So what really intent is doing? Intent, there is some another activity, the result activity. Okay, so it just what it do is it generates it creates a result. Okay, it pop up the result activity. But what just happened when I clicked on notification? What it do? Sorry. When I click on a button, it generates a notification. But when I click on a notification, what it do? Okay, so this is the thing, that when I clicked on notification button, so what it do? Like we get an example of WhatsApp, that when there's a message came, okay, and you didn't open the WhatsApp, so what it do? When there's a notification came, when I clicked on it, what it do is it opens the message. It opens the message of the user, okay, to whoever sent. So this is the thing. So here this is the result activity. It's like whenever I click on this, it opens this person's message. Okay, whenever I click on this Pinterest, what it do? It opens the Pinterest app. Okay, so what it do? Whenever I click on this notification, it opens this result activity. Okay, so what it do is it's add the task scheduler activity, and it's creating this thing and add it in stack. Some sort of, there must be some there is some stack builder, and what it do is it adds the class, like it's saying there is some parent stack and which adds the class that what really must be their class. When you click on the button, it shows on the screen. Okay, so what the other things are? The other things are the intents, that you are adding the intents. There is tag builder. Okay, add next intent. Okay, fine with this thing. And there is some pending intent, like it shows there must be a stack. Okay, so the intents must be going pending mode or like that. And here is like it's what you do, you are seeing here, it's updating the current message. Okay, this is the pending intent and it updating it. And in last, it just using this pending intent and shows the to the builder. Okay, so now on what you do, the action is complete, the text is complete, the notification is complete. So what really missing is the main thing here is the notification manager. So why we really need manager? To my students, what I am giving them an example of hotel manager, that if you need a room, if you want to book a room, if you want to get information of hotel, what you really do, you ask from manager that I want a room or whatever, you want some permission there. So notification, there are many managers present in Android for giving permissions. So here what you do, when I click on a button, it's just go from application and pop up wherever it pop up the notification. Okay, even your app, if your app is off and you do some sort of code, there are some services or some sort of that thing, and what you do, it pop up the notification. So the notification pop-ups even my application is off. So this is the thing. So there's the notification manager is really important here, like it's giving the permission. It says get system services and show us the notification service. Okay, and in last what you do, it's just build the notification and it shows us on the screen. That's all. These are the 4 main steps, and let's see how these steps are working. Okay, so what I do, I'm sharing with you just the main screen here. Okay, the main activity, and in this main activity, this is really simple. Don't worry about the thing what it's just going on. In XML, I just created a simple button. You can find this example in tutorial points. Simple, if you write and add notifications in tutorial points, and it just pop the okay. In Google, you just say notification. I will share the link there in my description. I will share my link in description. You can find this code there. Okay, so don't worry about this thing. So here is the main activity, and what it do, it just extends this activity. And the next thing is button. I just created a button in XML. I'm not sharing that because this is just a single simple button there. Okay, what you do is I'm just getting this button. I'm saying when I'm click on it, button v1.set on click listener, it just activate this add notification method. Is just call this add notification method. So what my add notification method is doing, each and everything what I told you before. So you are seeing here that add notification compared builder, everything what I told you before are mentioned here in steps. I think again telling you is a waste of time. It's like the same thing, the first step notification builder and showing the icons, and the second step intent notification, getting the notifications and blah blah with the main activity and notification intents and pending intents, and in last what it do is it's just getting the permission there. It gets testing the system service, and when the thing is done here, so what you do, you just run the code and you will see there must be no issue about this thing. Okay, so this is purely simple about notification. These are basically on ground notifications, like these are not these are basically foreground notifications, these are not background notifications. So in my next tutorials, in my coming up tutorials, I will share with you background notifications, how these background notifications work. I will use Firebase in the coming lectures, Firebase with database. I will use Redis and the other technologies that really are amazing. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'm sure you will enjoy my latest lectures, because these lectures are quite different from these upcoming lectures. So I'm on it, and be with me and do subscribe. I'm sure, and if there is an issue, if you are finding any sort of issue about my lecture, then do comment and do share. I will try to do my best to share my knowledge with you. I think that's an awesome thing. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, goodbye, and enjoy the coding. Bye.